If only a city sounding the sea breaking ashore. If only sound could open winter, rattling what's empty. A city staggers, gold trembles, rimming all little white lies. It takes 1, 2, and then there's the city. A radio tallows its oily harbor. Its pebbly lists good. Bargains fester, nesting gold cheddar. In what's dirtiest, a twist of tar. Turbulence salts a smile. Date palms clack an eye. A hummingbird's dark thrums a winged frenzy. If I heard me here, sounding shores, breaking lazy sea hum moors, traffic cars in the bathroom light left on to avoid thinking. Tire treads peel static off the rumble strip. Mimic now the absent rain. If only the itch of pebbles in my eyes, the gravel in my voice, sound scrapes out the pink of my mouth.